Okay guys, I'm getting this on video because I want to get this on video. If my mom finds out I'm out here, she's gonna whine and complain. I'm an adult, so it'll be fine anyway, but nonetheless. So, we have this, freezing rain, something like that. I don't know. Everything is covered in ice. Like, everything. Trees are falling apart because they're getting too heavy. This tree fell in the front of my yard. It took our power line down, if you can see that down there. We still have power because it, like, only pulled it down and didn't snap it, which is pretty cool. We're probably gonna have to get it shut off eventually, though, but nonetheless. That happened. Everything has icicles. It's crazy. This is so cool. Everything looks mythical. It's amazing. This tree keeps having stuff fall on it because it has so much surface area, so it like gets a lot of ice. So it just keeps like breaking and snapping and then stuff's falling. I heard it down there. I don't know if I got it on video or not, or if it's seeable, but yeah, stuff's collapsing everywhere. Kind of dangerous. My mom's like, Right there, right there. It's gonna happen. It's like about to happen over there. Hold on, I wanna get close. Not too close, but close. I wanna get it collapsing. You can hear the trees collapsing all around us. It's crazy. You can see ice falling. Come on, snap, please, please. I'm gonna hate this in springtime when you have to clean this up to mow grass, but nonetheless, come on, snap, please. It's awesome looking. I have to switch hands and put one in a pocket every now and then. You can just see ice falling. I'm gonna get under this tree. Probably not the safest thing in the world, but I don't think it'll collapse, so it's fine. Oh, it popped. Ooh, it's being held up by other branches. Part of me wants to get under there and see what it's like. At the same time, there's a branch falling. I don't want to be under the branch. The ice, I think, would be fine, but nonetheless, I'm gonna stay safe. For my mom's sake, fine. Oh shit! Oh shit! It fell in our garage! This is crazy! This is wild! I hope the sound quality is picking up the pops and stuff. I'm really hoping so, because it's awesome. I'm hearing stuff over there. I'm gonna go in the woods too. I really want to try and catch one of these collapsing first, but I want to go in the woods because it looks like everything is white. It looks awesome. It's actually one of the coolest things ever. It's up there with like an eclipse for me because it's just sick. I hope my mom or dad isn't yelling for me up there because they'll find out, hey, he's not inside, and get whiny about it. Looks like there's a bunch of branches that broke down there. This might be a better angle for what I think's about to break. Like, you could hear them popping everywhere, like far out in the distance. It's really cool. It sounds like gunshots slightly, but you can tell the difference. Like, it's everywhere. I really hope it's picking it up. Oh, oh, oh. You could see it like wilting and giving up. Break, 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 break. Ooh, stuff's falling over there. Come on. This is sick. What is that noise over there? It sounds like a cat. What the hell? Oh, it's a bird, probably. I think bird's frozen, so. And there it goes! Ah, I wanted the ice to like snap and you really see it fall like rain. Maybe it'll happen. Maybe it'll happen. This doesn't happen much. I live in Missouri, like southeast Missouri. I think it's southeast. It might be west. I don't really know. I can't think off the top of my head. I'm stupid. When I go in the woods, I'm kind of worried about it collapsing on me, but you know what? We have balls over on this channel. It's still snapping. Dude, how heavy is ice? That's crazy. You could hear it popping. I gotta get closer, so I gotta make sure you can hear it. I'll be fine. Please pick it up. It's kind of hard not to, I feel, at least to me. I don't know. It's gotta pick it up, at least in some way. I guess while I'm here, I'll get like a close-up. It's literally covered in thick ice. That is at least a centimeter of ice over everything. It's awesome. We love it so much. It's so cool. I can hear it coming from over there. Hearing stuff up there again. Still popping. Ooh, I'm hearing this pop too. All of it's popping up there. Oh God. There goes a branch. Did you see the ice like fall and shatter? Oh my God. I don't know if anybody's seen those videos online, like, oh, men like get distracted by watching ice fall and break. This is a dream, guys. This is incredible. This is, I'm in dreamland. This is amazing. Gotta switch hands, god damn. Oh, I missed that one. Man, stuff fell over here. Looks like stuff is falling right here. Ooh, I heard stuff fall over there. I couldn't see it behind the tree. Oh my God! I hope I got that. I gotta like be quicker whenever I hear the sounds. Oh, a trampoline. I hope it's okay. I wonder if it's covered in ice. Holy shit! Did you guys get that? Ooh. These are the most ideal like scenarios to break it, because it's freezing it, so it's making it really hard. Like usually wood is kind of bendable, but it's making it really hard, making it really heavy, and then the wind is just nailing at it. So it's like collapsing everything. I got that one. Oh, that was cool seeing it fall through the trees. I think that's what it is. It like, top branches are breaking and then they like hit the lower ones. And it's like causing ice showers. It's pretty cool. Okay, hopefully that doesn't collapse without me. I don't think that's gonna do anything cool. I think it's like kind of hit the ground and it's kind of getting more support now. I think I'm gonna go through the woods. Take a little bit of a stroll really quick. Oh, this is so cool. You can just see the ice. So cool. Everything's breakable. Like the wood is so brittle. Oh shit. This is probably pretty dangerous. The thing my mom needs to understand is like whenever she tells me, hey, that's dangerous, that's dumb, be safe, it makes me want to do it more. She's gonna be the one to get me killed, I promise. So look at this, guys. This is awesome. Just being right here alone. Everything's in ice. So everything, it looks white. It's like foggy. I did have to climb up here because we had a heater up there because we're probably gonna lose power and we want to warm it up a little bit. But nonetheless, climbing up that ladder was sketchy as hell. Do not recommend. I'm not doing that on video. I will be safe on that part. I'm fine. No, I am fine. Alright, please, be quiet. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Sorry, I'm imagining my mom coming down here. Gotta think of what I'm gonna say, otherwise I'll crack. Oh, shoot. This is so sketchy, guys. Oh boy. Oh, I know where I'm at. Wait. Oh, that's where I was earlier, right up behind that, right behind the woods over there. Where am I? How did I lose the trail? God, I gotta switch hands. I gotta keep my right hand warm, otherwise it's gonna freeze to death. But I'm like right-handed, so holding the camera with my right hand just makes more sense. I keep switching back and then going the other way. Or I keep switching and then switching back without realizing it, because I'm just used to on my right hand. Okay, I think I found the trail. It's just covered up there. At some point, my parents are gonna yell for me, and they're not gonna find me. I probably should have at least told them that I'm there, but I don't want to argue with them. Oh, I should have been over there! I'm too slow. Ice went in my boot. Ah, sorry toes. I didn't mean to do that. You'll warm up pretty quick, I hope. Oh. Guys, like, I love this. I needed to get this on video. This is very important to me. This just looks so cool. I figured this place would be frozen. The creek is muddy as ever, which makes sense. But dang, it's just flowing. More ice in my boot. It's cold, man. Come on. My thought process is the chances of a tree falling on me is really low. It's not going to happen to me. My mom would then be like, I'm sure that's what people who had a tree fall on them thought. Well, yeah, I feel like if you thought it was going to happen, it has a better chance of happening. Why do you know? I think God just said, excuse me? What was that? That scared me. And I just realized my instincts are freaking weak as hell. I gotta get out of the way whenever it's above me. Video. Realize it yet? Come on. Oh my god, I need to stop talking to myself, especially on video. It sounds weird. I do that. It's a problem. Alright, I'm going down to the creek. I want to get a better view of it really quick. I think it'll be cool for a video. Trash, nice. Probably ours, to be fair. I'll have to clean that up eventually. Want to get closer? I'm glad everything isn't slick. It's just like shattery ice. The trees are covered in slick ice, but okay, yeah, right here's good. I don't want to go farther than the fence. Damn. Let's go swimming, guys. Nah, once summer hits, this GoPro is going to be amazing, though. Alright. This is cool. I'm breaking through. Got ice in my hair now. That's sick. Oh my god, I love this so much. I don't know why this is so cool to me, but it is. Got water flowing through here. I'm assuming down to the creek. No, it's going to freaking heaven. What am I talking about? I assume. Yes, I'm a gentleman. I don't know why I climbed up the steep hill. There was a very easy slope to walk up instead. I'm kind of dumb. Don't mind me. Oh boy. kind of starting to realize why we trim trees so they don't collapse and stuff. I always thought, okay, that's not gonna happen. With ice it does. With water, no. Rain doesn't get that heavy. Then again, this is a lot of ice because it just kept like getting thick on it. Man, all the cool stuff's in the back. Way out there. I wish I had my own truck. I'd go driving around. Oh shoot! I'm blaming my brother and then a tree branch falls. Oh my god. Oh my god, my mom. I'm gonna end video here. I better have got that on video. If I'm gonna freak if I did not. I wonder why he's out here. God, this is awesome. Breaking ice like this is amazing. Kind of hurts though. Wouldn't recommend. Or I would recommend, but maybe bring gloves. I'm kind of being stupid, but you know. It's the ninja way. Oh, okay, we're breaking ice. Oh, we're breaking through here. Ah! Okay, and we're through. Path is blocked off here. Oh my god. Dude, that was so cool. I cannot believe I got that on video. I better have. It was there for a second. That makes all of this worth it too. Even if this is just ice and people don't care about that, that was cool for me. Oh my god. It'd be crazy if I look back at the video, it was like a bear. I didn't really notice. It looks like a dog. Not a wolf, because like coyotes are almost like they have a whole different thing. Wolves and dogs look practically the same. Like if you took a husky and a wolf, put them together, you can't really tell the difference. I mean, you can, but it's hard. Coyotes, they look pretty different. Not like drastically, but they're their own thing. Pretty cool. I wonder where he went. That's freaking awesome. Oh my god. This day is amazing. I got a bunch of freaking ice falling on video. Then I get a coyote running towards me and then away into the woods. That's sick. I could have gotten mauled right there, guys. It would be nice to have a pocket knife. I might go get one of those. I didn't really expect that. Would have been pretty cool to get me like slaughtering it on video for self-defense. I respect the animals. I wouldn't like actually have killed it unless I needed to, but you know. I come out on top. I am the coyote killer. Hello everyone, my name is Coyote Peterson, and today we're getting mauled by a bear. Okay. Wait, okay, the Christmas lights, they're still on, so we still have power. Awesome, I didn't even think of looking at that. Okay, so we still have power. so disappointing. I wanted that to fall really bad. I waited so long right there. What the heck? Why are these trees so special? Bro, the other ones are freezing to death, and these are just like, eh. Is it winter yet? This is awesome. What is this? They just got little like drool droplets. What the heck? It's just green under here. Oh, that's awesome. Oh man, it's cold. If I'm walking, I should really record this because I'm looking down. If I'm just walking in directions and breaking ice. Oh, coming! Coming! Did it break? Guys, I just went back and looked at the freaking video. I missed it. I only got the freaking coyote running into the woods a little bit. No one's gonna believe me. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. I'm pissed off now. I absolutely hate myself. So I don't know how much of this video has actually been like this, but I look down too much and over too much. So I lifted my camera up a little bit. See, like this. I'm leaving it like that from now on. That way if I like point it down a little bit, like I've been holding it kind of like this a little bit, and it's been pointed down more. Now it's pointed up and this seems fine. I'm gonna leave it like this. I think this is better. I'm getting the hang of this. I'm so pissed off though. Dude. Oh my God. That was so cool. I experienced it. I guess I kind of have to describe it. I don't know if I already did. It pretty much, like right up here, it was probably like over there in that area. It ran out and then started running towards me down there. And then it like went off into the woods. And then you've seen it running away a little bit. I don't know, man. I'm really upset about that. One big part about why I make videos is I really want to get like animals on camera. It's a big part of like my passion for it. And I dropped the ball on that again. Man. Dude, I am so dumb. I mean, I'm glad I still got it, but dang it. This is so much more comfortable holding this camera like that. Okay. This is way better. This is way better. I think it's up more. Like, let's just click the screen really quick. So yeah, now if I want to look down, I gotta actually put it down. But otherwise, it's pointing more upwards, which I think that's just better overall because it'll get the ice better. I'm sorry. I don't know how good this video's been. My battery is getting low. My screen is cracked and I can't see, but I just hope you're listening. I don't know what that's from. bunch of water. See, this is a little more sensical. I have to really point it down, but like, I'd rather be able to get cool stuff if I see it, so. God, that is so aggravating. I'm so upset about that. It was really cool. It was like a pretty brown color. Now I look dumb getting excited for it, excited about it on video. I mean, I'm excited about it. That was pretty cool. I never really seen one of those just like running in the woods before, but you know. What the heck is that? Oh, nice, a bottle. That's real nice, guys. I love humanity. We're so amazing. Ah, things are cold. Okay, now I'm up here. I don't know what I've accomplished. Ooh, man. I think this video is about to end. I'm about done looking at ice. Now I wish I was recording on my phone. I would have like been looking at the screen. Man, I hope this is a better camera setup, that way it actually picks stuff up. I think this just looks absolutely amazing. I'm kind of bummed about that coyote not getting it on video very well. You did at least see it running away, so you know it was real. I'm not like making shit up, but I didn't get it like I thought I did. It was pretty cool looking though. I'll do an outro later on in the day if I'm not like gonna upload anything else or record anything else of this. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end this part here. Yeah, I'm gonna go up first actually. Always got to be recording if you're anywhere different. I'm gonna head up though. I want to relax. It's cold out here. I mean, I figure we don't need to really worry about the power too much, but not even sure I got that on video, dude. I can't. Oh my god, that is a perfect, ow! That is a perfect plant, guys, look at that. It just shatters. This one looks like I already touched it. Yeah, I already touched that one. So pristine, so smooth. Each blade just encapsulated. So awesome. Okay. I'm calling it here for now. What was that? Well, that tree's broken. Or slushy. Anyone want some chocolate slushy here? I'm selling. Okay. I want to slide, but I'm not going to. Hold on, I gotta do something. No, I'm not good. Hold on. Oh man. Let's try. Ooh, I got a 2-1. Fine. R. All right, I'm gonna end this part here. That branch right there is probably gonna break soon. Oh, get it on video. Get it on video. That branch right there is probably gonna break soon. So, maybe I should get used to like holding the camera up in view. I've been holding it like down here, kinda, and that's not very good. I really can't do that. I had to keep it like in my face, look through it really. I mean, all things considered, it pretty much just gets everything in view as is. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I gotta get better at recording videos, because that was unacceptable. I can't do that again. Anyway,